course. I'm Dr. Jana Mitchell, and I'm here to discuss the most suppressed discovery in veterinary science, the canine hydrocondensation chamber.
They don't want you to see this, but the data is undeniable. Look at these charts. The evidence is all here.
Welcome to Ever Wonder. Have you ever wondered how your dogs seem to have unlimited pee on walks?
Well, this is unexpected.
You see, when we sniff around, we're not just being nosy to Lake. We're actually harvesting water molecules directly from the atmosphere. These H2O particles travel to our hydrocondensation chamber, chalice, or as we call it, the pee factory down, located right between our stomach and lungs.
High humidity equals infinite pee. No atmosphere equals no pee.
For centuries, humans have completely misunderstood dogs' nasal capabilities. They are not smelling 30 times better, they are creating...
They told us it was perfectly safe, but we knew. We all knew something wasn't right with the filtration system.